Hi family, welcome to Sunshine Yummy Treats. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make plantain chips from the comfort of your home. And this is also a great business idea for you that is looking for a side hustle with zero stress. And this business is really a profitable one. So let's get started. As you can see, I'm using the unripe plantain for this recipe. You can actually use the show ripe or the ripe ones, okay? So the first thing I usually do is to oil my hands and the knife because of the plantain stains and also for easy wash off. So I'll go ahead and peel the plantain. So if this is your first time of stopping by this channel, welcome to Sunshine Yummy Treats. I share simple, healthy and amazing recipes. So please do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on the post notification for more videos. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for the love and support. Thank you for always stopping by to watch my videos. I see the likes and the comments. And also thank you for always sharing my videos. You guys are amazing. I don't take your love for granted. So if you don't have a multifunctional grater that has a slicing blade or a potato peeler, you can use a knife to slice your plantain very thin like this, and it will still come out perfect and crunchy, okay? So I already had my oil heating up on fire and I just added half teaspoon of salt. This method works perfect for me. There are other methods you can use by dissolving the salt in water, okay? But this method works perfectly for me. I'm using this small multifunctional grater because it makes the slicing very easy, just straight into the oil. With this, you can slice as many plantain as you can into the oil at a go, but don't overcrowd the oil or the pan. And if you're still watching at this point and you've not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and the post notification to get more videos. And please give this video a thumbs up, okay? And keep watching. So you continue stirring so that the plantain can fry properly and come out perfect. So you know the plantain chips is ready when the oil is no more bubbling, okay? So you remove from the It came out so beautiful, guys. Hear the crunchiness. It's so crunchy, tasty, and yummy. Do you know it's one of kids' favorite snacks? Yes. So guys, thank you all for watching and see you in my next video.